Hi, welcome to the channel. Got the Bell 412 out today, first flight official, and yeah, try to get it as close as possible to the original. And I just noticed how similar this whole tail section is to the UH1, and then the nose is like a 206, and then the rest is some other fabrication. So yeah, printed in PLA plus. And let's see if we have GPS. We do, and let's rotate her, and we still have GPS. So as usual, I'll be in ATI mode, which is here. I have. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and run. Aha. Right, just looking for vibrations. I don't see anything. Let's try GPS. There's a GPS mode. Seems to be okay. And back to ATI. Bit of wind today, nothing major, slight breeze. Bell 412. Bit of a wind, so that's pretty standard. And back to ATI. And we're still in ATI mode, hands free. So there we have it, guys. A 3D printed. Now this is printed in PLA plus. That's my very new favorite material. It just prints super smooth. I don't primer or sand these fuselages. I just put color on straight away. and put some clear coat on. Just going to look at this tail section here. Yeah, I don't see any vibrations. Blade tracking, from what I can see, is pretty good. It's actually perfect. So back to Atty. If you've downloaded this and printed it, I really would like to see your version. These latest fuselages, the last 3 or 4 in fact, I've designed a new alignment pins, not pins, little tabs. So it just helps you glue the front and rear fuselages together nice and accurately, and then all the panel lines come out nicely. I can barely see them, in fact I can't, in fact. So flies very much like the Huey and the Bell 206. In fact, it's pretty much identical. Right, let's try a little bit of an orbit. Not bad. Not bad at all. At this lightweight, we should be flying probably close to 20 minutes on this 3000, which I'm not going to do today. I'm just here to see that it flies, which it does. Very nicely, in fact. And I think this is a great success. There's my 8 minutes up. Gonna come in for landing. Guys, thanks so much for joining, for downloading, printing, supporting, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Yeah, the blades, that was just from the blades, just a fraction too tight. That's all that is, so that's easily to remedy. In fact, without touching it, let's just launch her again and see if we can get that better. 1, 2, 3. That's the only thing that will make that vibrate like that, if it does, like there, is if the blades are slightly too tight. So let's just land her. Yeah, that's just the blades are too tight. That's all it is. I'll sort that out. Guys, thanks for joining, and yeah, happy days.